What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we have an update on Hbar Hedera Hashgraph, which has pumped up over 10% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at nearly hitting 6 cents guys. So we're going to be looking at, is it going to keep pumping, is it going to drop back down in value, and also focusing on buyers and sellers point of view, as in, is it time to buy it right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you're on a profit, or should you simply hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming days, weeks, and so on? And also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can this crypto go? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and both short-term and long-term holders. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. The market is up 0.1% in the last 24 hours and nothing major, but what we do have is Hedera Hashgraph as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So in the last hour itself, we managed to gain nearly 2% in value. Over the last day, 12%, even though it has been quite volatile. It's peaked up, dropped back down, peaking up again right now. Over the week, 11%, and over the month, a decent 25%. And once again, over the last 4 weeks as well, it's been quite volatile. It did pump up about 22%, hitting nearly 6 cents, or hitting over 6 cents, dropped back down, and right now again back to where it was. When was this? About approximately 2-3 weeks ago. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 300%, making it $111 or $13 million over the last 24 hours, which is a huge increase guys. Again, the only reason why the trading volume has increased so much is because it's one of the top gainers. It's getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype around it, meaning more and more people will start to trade the crypto, more buyers, more sellers, so on and so on. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Hbar, which is here at about 5 cents. However, we can see it trading at a higher value here in red at 0.05824, nearly hitting 6 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning gains in value are expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say by midday tomorrow, we should expect Hbar to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. What I am expecting is for it to just hover over the 6 cents target. Nothing major, but when increase in value is always good. So again, that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting green candles from this point onwards. Of course not. It is likely to take a little bit of a drop in between, just like what's happened earlier today, but then it did manage to peak back up in value, and that is exactly what I'm expecting to take place over the next 12 to 14 hours. Drops, peaks up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, meaning heading just over 6 cents is what I'm expecting. Now moving on to the hourly chart, in the next couple of days we're looking a little bit too steep here. We've got the blue and the orange line still looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, the blue and the orange line are looking way too steep, meaning, as mentioned, always, it is not realistic. So over the next week or so, let's say towards the end of next week, I'm expecting Hedera Hashgraph to have gone through an overall drop in value, potentially trading around 0.052 to 0.053 cents is where I'm expecting Hedera Hashgraph to be trading at. But again, do expect green days in between as well, up and down, but the overall outcome over the next week or so seems to be more on the negative side, so trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. But again, just because I'm expecting it to drop, it doesn't mean it's going to be a major crash or a major price drop or anything like that. Guys, it is going to be a minimal drop in value over the next 7 to 8 days. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're still looking bullish, still looking positive. However, we are not looking as steep as the previous chart, meaning is much more realistic, guys. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so let's say late September, early October 2023, I am expecting Hedera Hashgraph to go for an overall increase in value. And again, I'm expecting it to be trading over the 10 cents target is where I'm expecting Hedera Hashgraph to be trading at by September to October time, depending of course on how the crypto market performs. But at the moment, I am expecting potentially for the rest of the year the crypto market to be moving towards a positive direction, which also includes Bitcoin trading over $35,000. And if that is the case, then Hedera Hashgraph should be able to hit the 10 cents target. But again, depending on market conditions, as you guys know how cryptocurrency is, how volatile it is, and how any little news can have a major impact on one crypto, which will also affect another crypto, and yeah, is a domino effect. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Hedera Hashgraph. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. We are currently trading in the red zone, and not only in the red zone, but we are in the lower part of the red zone, guys, and we have been trading in the red zone since, have a look here, about over a year now. And to hit the green zone, we're gonna have to hit 16 cents in target, which we are not close to at the moment, but it should be coming towards the very end of the year or early next year. I'm expecting Hedera Hashgraph to be breaking out from the red zone, heading into the green zone, potentially towards the very end of this year or early next year, depending again on how the crypto market performs. And again, if you guys want regular updates on Hedera Hashgraph, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. So yeah, it's not really about the red zone. As long as we slowly start to move in a positive direction, we should be good to go. But yeah guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. Just a quick one on Hedera Hashgraph. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2023. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.